The United Nations top court heard closing arguments on the legality of Israel's decades-long occupation of Palestinian territories. The week-long hearings have mounted pressure on Israel at a time when it is planning to launch an offensive on Rafah. Now, this is the first time since 1967 that the International Court of Justice, the ICJ, has been asked to detail the legal consequences of what's being called Israel's occupation, settlement and annexation of the territories, including the West Bank and East Jerusalem. The UN General Assembly had asked the court to give an advisory opinion. A final opinion from the court may come after several months. While delivering his statement to the court, Turkey's Deputy Foreign Minister Ahmet Yildiz said that Israeli occupation of Palestinian territories is the root cause of conflict in the region.
The unfolding situation after October 7 proves once again that without addressing the root cause of the Israeli-Palestinian conflict, there can be no peace in the region. Israeli-Palestinian conflict did not start on 7 October 2023. The conflict is not about a certain Palestinian faction or group. The conflict dates back to an earlier century. But the real obstacle to peace is obvious. The deepening occupation by Israel of the Palestinian territories, including East Jerusalem, and failure to implement the two-state vision, Israel and Palestine living side by side.
Over the last week, the World Court has heard arguments from more than 50 countries. Most of them have sided with the Palestinian representatives who argue that Israel has long abused Palestinian rights with impunity and denied their right to self-determination. Israel itself has not been a part of the hearings, but it has claimed that the questions raised by the World Court are biased.
Solely out of the